Infield review, add-on to my Mete SFX reviews. I'm gonna do headshot there, Wyatt. Unreal. Dude, that's awesome. God, I love Caniks. They're such great guns. I'm gonna go a little bit lower left on this because it seems like it's printing high right. Lower circle, you can show that. Oh, almost
nice.
Dead center, bro. Okay, I'm gonna go for that Evil Roy now. Spinner. Oh, hit it, dude.
Nice.
I think I
all glared out.
I really like these sights on here. They're awesome. How about that little guy right there? Wasted him. All right, guys, this is a Canik Rival SFX variation. We spent a lot of airtime on Canik guns, the TP9 series. They're all good. Just pick your favorite flavor. This one is different in that it has a ventilated slide. Some really aggressive milling going on there. For second cool, that's awesome. It looks great. First cool, a disadvantage would be like a Glock 34, and this has happened to us at the project. If you drop it in the mud, it's gonna get in there. Got to keep it clean, so it is open to debris and mud. Looks good, really excellent purchase on this one. We have that really high undercut trigger guard right here. They're calling it a double cut trigger guard on the Rival series. Really nice, protected fiber optic front sight. Fully adjustable metal rear sight. It'll have the wrenches you'll need. Like I said, this for me is printing a little high right, easily corrected. Big external extractor right here like we see in the Canik series. Flat face serrated trigger. The trigger, as always, in these competition-oriented TP9s, FSXs, if you want to say. Oh my gosh. What? That trigger is so good, dude. I don't have a trigger gauge, but I would say that's 3 pounds. 3 pounds, dude. Let's check the reset on that. Really quick reset. I mean, this is a competition pistol. That's what they're wanting this to be, an out-of-box, competition-ready pistol. Has all the other features we've discussed and we love already. There's your loaded chamber indicator. And Wyatt, this has the fluted barrel on it, right?
Yeah, it's got a horizontal flutes all the way across the profile.
Steel guide rod. 18-round magazines, which are fantastic.
Comes with 2.
About 29.5 ounces for this Canik Rival. That's going to be on the order of the Mete was that way. I think the SFX is about the same weight. So it is a long slide variation, this one is. So this is a 5-inch cold hammer forged barrel. I really, when I run a long slide, I give it a little bit of extra leeway for being a little bit heavier. Ideally weigh on the order of a Glock 34 For tactical use, a 34 is going to be about 26.5 ounces. That's the standard to measure for a 5-inch barrel polymer gun for myself. But this is competition oriented, so a few extra ounces helps you stabilize it and get it on target. We're going to load it up. Wyatt's going to shoot it next. Infield review on the Rival. So as a reminder, this is all the stuff that comes in the package when you buy one of these competition-oriented Canik TP9s.
Flared magwell.
Yep. Just like we showed you on the Mete.
Yeah, a pretty decent Kydex right-hand belt holster.
Yeah, it's not bad.
And then you got the whole fleet of optics compatibility plates for all the different brands out there. Little loader tools, kind of simple, but nice touch.
Do they have the little mini pistol in this version? That's
Oh,
what
yeah.
the Mete had.
Check it out. So they put
Yeah,
some
there
of
it is, dude.
The tools in there.
Yeah.
You can, where is it right here?
Yeah.
You got extra
So
fiber
cool.
optics stuff and some other smaller wrenches, I think, go in there on a little keychain. Look, there's the hex tool for some of the other components.
And that thing can actually shoot small projectiles too. You wish. So cool though. I mean, look at all this you get in the package. What's your store price on this whole setup?
Yeah, let's look here. It's on the top. There, $640.
$640 for all that. See, guys who have a Canik addiction,
They're a bargain.
they're gonna not like this video. They're gonna like, oh crap, another gun I want. Another gun. All right, let's shoot 2 more mags. Infield review, the Rival variation of the TP9. And I call it Canik. Some guys call it something different, like Canik or whatever the hell.
Ambi slide release. You know, you talked about the trigger. Love the trigger.
Trigger's awesome. Nice magazine release too.
Yeah,
and you can interchange it too.
Add on extensions and whatnot. So, or you can go lower profile. If
Let's look at the funneling again.
So yeah, it's pretty generous there, but you can also add their aluminum base there.
Very excellent. Great out-of-box competition pistol.
Certainly.
All right, light it up, dude. As a reminder, for whatever reason, Wyatt always shoots very fast and hits about 1/3 of the time.
Roger that.
All right, dude.
We'll go for the
I think I left that over there. I think. Is it over there?
Negative.
Where did I put the other mag? Oh, there it is.
Oh, roger that.
Okay, I'm gonna call your targets on this one.
Okay.
So step up a little bit. Left cylinder, 3 shots. Evil Roy, 2 shots. Take your time. Miss. Hit. Right cylinder, 2 shots. Ipsic, 1 shot. 1 shot, spinner. 1 shot, spinner. 1 shot, spinner. Left column, 1 shot. Right column, 1 shot. Evil Roy, 1 shot. Try it again. Good hit. Headshot, paper, closest target. Good. Left column, 1 shot. Spinner, you're out.
We're dry.
That's a review, guys. Infield. Good shooting, bro.
Yeah, man.
That's fun doing the tag-ons, right? Like telling the dude what to shoot.
Yeah.
Recommended. Gunnies, the Great American Gun Store, is where you should go first. If you're not in state, sorry.
Online too.
Yeah. How do you like the looks of this compared to the other ones?
It's
got that
definitely
Breda APX look to it.
freaking, you know, but they're not super deep, so it's not like choppy like the Walther PDP or the
PDP's
that
pretty
Breda.
sharp.
Yeah, they did them a little too proud.
They're deep and they're a little bit sharp.
The barrel lockup is feel a teeny bit of play, just a teeny bit. I would hope that would be a little tighter. The Cerakote ones don't have that problem, obviously, because there's a little teeny skin to them.
You guys saw the accuracy on this. We forgot to walk right up to the target, but here it is.
Yeah,
just
one right there.
highest production values.
Half inch from the bullseye.
There you go, dude. And then Wyatt shot that one right there at the top. All right, recommended. Say and comment which TP9 you have. Why do you like it? Wyatt told me off camera that if he was to buy one, he'd go with this Rival. True or false?
Yes, sir.
Interesting. Very interesting. Myself, I really love that Mete. The Mete's sick. I just like the coloration of it, and it's basically the same gun, just a little bit of variances. Love the sight on that one too, though.
Yep.
See ya.